Hello po, good day. Banito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite white variant natin. So our stylus, nasa likod ng po siya. Now, pakita ko lang din po yung charging ng ating unit. So once you plug in your charger, just beside the screen light na nakikita po ninyo, magkakaroon po tayo ng orange light. Charge po lang siya. So this indicates that our unit is charging. And then for our buttons naman, by the way, this order is going to Parañaque City, Metro Manila. So our LR button, yung ating ADXY, directional buttons, and our select start. And yung ating touchscreen this time. Now, load lang din natin yung ating mga games. So for your order, this has over 300 to around 400 plus games na naka-install. So marami na rin po kayo mga games na pwede niyo pagpilian. Now, to load our games, tap lang natin siya. And then open lang natin yung ating DS Games folder this time. So, nandito yung mga Pokemon games natin, Mario, Zelda, and marami pa po. But now, hindi po siya mag-catch sa isang page. You just need to click on the R button sa likod to go to our next page. So, we are still at letter D. Ayan. And then to go back naman, yung L button naman natin sa likod. So, let's open one of the games na parating nahanap. One of our Pokemon games. Now, I'll be also sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. So, okay na rin po yung ating order, buddy. Papak na lang po namin, attendant. Wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you, and happy gaming!